And we are live. Hello there, Wim Dijkgraaf, founder, CEO of Quotation Factory, with an announcement that now any metalworking company or surface treatment company around the world can make a 5 years jump into the future in less than 5 minutes. Why a 5 years jump? Quotation Factory is a startup we started 5 years ago, working hard with an amazing team every day to make the most innovative and most innovative platform for metalworking companies as well as surface treatment companies to be able to estimate with a high accuracy as well as with a high consistency, such that they can do more with the same people, need less, less knowledge in the head of employees. You can start automating the estimation process as much as is currently technically possible. That will also help you respond way faster to inquiries, to requests for quotations with amazingly looking quotations. We created a getting started wizard that I'm going to show you. We can send you the link. Please contact our customer development department through the website. I will add a link to this live stream in the comments. Just use the link to go to a form where you can type in your basic information. Customer development will get in contact with you. The platform is not suitable for every type of metalworking company. For example, we focus on high mix, low volume metalworking companies. Also, there are a specific type of manufacturing processes that we don't have the right level of support for yet. But if you are doing sheet metal, tubes, bars, beams, CNC machining, surface treatment, welding, assembling, then be sure that you check out Quotation Factory, because maybe it can be of great impact for the success of your company. Let me show you how the wizard works. It's a very straightforward 6-step process that will take you less than 5 minutes to go through. First page, really standard, first and last name and the email address. The second is a pop-up that will be shown where you type your password and you sign up. Then you will be asked to go to your email box and where you will find a confirmation email. You can also do that on your phone. If you do that on your phone, you confirm it on your phone and you do the wizard on your PC, for example. Then after you confirmed it, make sure that you refresh your browser window. Then it will automatically go to the next step in the process. This is an example of the email that you will receive. Just confirm by clicking the green button. Then you will automatically go to the identify your factory. This is also very straightforward. Your factory name, the role in your factory that you have. You can be company owner or part of the sales department, work preparation, maybe the ICT department. There's a very simple small list that we ask you to select an option from, and then your currency. And now it is a more interesting part. Here you select a profile of your metalworking company. You can select one or more of these profiles. Sheet metal, if you mainly do sheet metal, tubes profiles, bar beams, if you have sawing machines, as well as, for example, laser cutting, tube laser cutting machines. CNC machining, if you focus on milling, turning, things like that. Assembling, if you also do welding or other assembly procedures. And we have surface treatments, such as zinc plating, powder coating, things like that. So you can select one or multiple from these options. What will happen then is that a whole amount of working steps are pre-configured for you, meaning that every working step is a production technique in order to fulfill a specific characteristic or feature from, for example, the 3D model. A working step will be what will be allocated to a resource, so a machine that you have for that, and that machine will be pre-configured in the virtual factory, meaning that we know production times, etc., default settings, in order to estimate production times, cycle times, setup times. What also will be done automatically is set up a raw materials catalog for sheets, for bars, for tubes, profiles, etc., etc., with the most actual current purchasing prices here in Western Europe. So that's all pre-configured. Of course, you can substitute what we configured later on in the process, but this will all be set up for you by default. Then the last step, review and complete. You say, okay, that's fine, just let's start. And then you have two options, create a new project or the project overview. Project overview, I wouldn't choose that right now because you will see an empty list. In the nearby future, we will automatically configure examples there for you. So for now, it's best to select create new project. Then you will actually already be logged in into the platform. And here you see the information to create a new project. In this drop down box that you see where it's written space, space plus asterisk, there you can just start typing. We have a pre-configured database with metalworking companies, mainly from Europe. As an example, normally that will come, for example, from your ERP system based on our default connectors. But there you can select an fictive customer of yours, and then you are in the project, an empty project screen, where on the right side where you see upload geometries, you can drag and drop step files, one or more, DXF, DWG, JT from Siemens, OpenGT, JT, as well as NC1 files, DSTV files, things like that. On the right bottom corner, you see a smiley. You can press that, and that's an option to get in contact with our support or customer success department. So if you have follow-up questions or something doesn't work the way you expect it to work, don't hesitate. Just get in contact with our customer success team, and they will be happy to help you out. That's it. It's that easy. A jump in the future of at least 5 years, you digitalize the first part of the whole process of your metalworking company in only 5 minutes. So if you think this is relevant for your metalworking company, don't hesitate. Contact us through the website. The link will be shown below. I will paste that in there. Customer development will immediately contact you. If there is a good match, given our platform and your company, you will be sent immediately a link, and within 5 minutes you are up and running. Hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.